In Washington, it was supposed to be a big answer to China's growing military power, a project called Replicator. Well, the Pentagon promised an army of AI powered drones, cheap, fast, deadly. Well, it was designed to swarm Chinese warships and overwhelm the defenses as well. Think of thousands of robotic aircraft working together like bees in a hive. That was the vision. But reality looks very different here. According to reports, America's $1 billion drone dream is kind of struggling. Test flights have failed. The swarm software that makes these drones think together, it is far behind the schedule, and the money simply isn't enough right now. Instead of a bold new era of robotic warfare, the US military is facing delays, they are facing confusion and disappointment too. You know why this matters? Now, this matters a lot because time is running out. Xi Jinping is preparing for a showdown over Taiwan, and Beijing is not waiting here. China already has world's largest navy and is rapidly expanding its drone fleet. To make matters worse, leaked Russian documents suggest that Moscow is secretly transferring advanced military technology to Beijing. If true, then it could give China an even sharper edge in electronic warfare, missile systems, and yes, of course, drones. And that's why Replicator program has now been shifted under US Special Operation Command just in hope of speeding things up. But here, critics warn that this is too little, too late. The US might be throwing money at a system that won't be ready by the time that Taiwan faces a real crisis. And yes, there's a political twist too. United States President back in the US power is under a lot of pressure. His supporters boast that America leads in technology, but his critics pointed out that drone failure are kind of proof that Washington is failing behind Beijing. Now for Taiwan, the stakes couldn't be higher right now. If China moves, drones will be on the front line. If they don't work, the US risks losing credibility, not just in Asia we are talking about, but globally. So here's the bigger question. Can America really fix its drone army before Xi Jinping makes his move? Because in the modern warfare, speed matters more than size. And right now, China looks faster, hungrier, and far more prepared.